Good morning and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you how to change out a Serpentine belt. This is the 4-cylinder. This is an E87 or 1 Series BMW. This motor was in lots and lots of cars, but it's very simple to get off. The only thing you have to remove, I've just had to do this on the side of the road because mine broke. The only thing you have to take off is this cold air intake on the front, and there's just a couple of screws there. You are going to need a Torx to get those off. So I'll put some links in the description for some tools, but you just got to take that off and you flick it off the side here. That comes out of the way. That is all that you need to get out of the way to do this. Now, you see, I've got a 16mm spanner, and what we do, this is the tensioning bolt here. Again, the pattern, you're gonna need to know the pattern. It's coming just, yeah, you can pause the video. You can see it's going over that idler there, going around the main drive pulley, going over there, coming across the top and running there to the alternator, and then from the alternator there's another idler pulley. You see it there, alternator down to the idler pulley on the center of the engine side, and then back down to the air conditioner compressor. So that is the pattern that you need to follow. That's a 16mm. We get it on and then we turn it clockwise, and you watch. You see that tensioning pulley? And that comes to a stop there. That enables you to get all the tension comes off, and it enables you to get the belt off. So I will put a link to the right belt, but again, the part number, when I went to the auto parts store, I had to buy two, and it was the smaller one that fit on of the two I had to buy. But it seriously is that simple. 16mm bolt, pull that up, and then you can pull that belt off and switch it over. Now my belt was fully off. It's very important that you get all the bits of belt out. Mine was all caught up in the alternator up here, particularly if it's down below. If there's anything gone below the main crank, it can cause problems with that seal. So get all the old bits out, super important, and then fit the new belt. Not hard. 16mm spanner, bang, you'll be able to flick it on, and then the auto tensioner here pulls the tension onto it.